Oath taking is on 4th and 5th. It is state-wise, alphabet and state-wise. So since we are from Goa, G, so we will be on the first day. Mr. Shripad Naik, North, and I representing South. So it will be on Monday.
Captain, what are the main issues of South Goa you're going to take in this session?
See, whole lot of issues for which we have been fighting. Not forgetting now Dabolim Airport. You know, I can say they have put Dabolim Airport in ICU. It's a planned attack by this government in association with the central government. Because closing Dabolim Airport only benefits the crony capitalist and private companies like GMR, which is operating MOPA. Government is going overboard. GMR help करपा. Sadhya they have given them a holiday. The tax what they had to collect after certain years, they have told them relaxation till December. म्हणजे गोंयच्या लोकांचेर जनताचेर खोट मारता पोटार आनी सध्या रिणान बुडलेले आसा 36,000 कोटी आमचो सरकार रिणान बुडलेलो आसा आनी ते रिकवर करपाक आमची बिलां वाडयतात इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिलां आनी GMRचे असले कंपनी कडच्यान जे कलेक्ट करपाक जाय तांकां आनीक 6 म्हयने रिलॅक्सेशन दिला म्हणजे गरिबांच्या पोटाचेर खोट आनी श्रीमंत लोकांची आनी क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट तांकां फायदो. सो दिस इज वन इशू Dabolim Airport. Then we have our the 6 rivers we have to get them back which have been nationalized. Then there is our coastal belt which is the 105 kilometers. We have to get it back which has been handed over to MPA. The double tracking, the road expansion, this Tamnar project which is a big lie, it's a fraud which is being carried out. हे Tamnar project हाडपाक लागून फक्त हे व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट्स पळय येता बिचोली जावं पेडण्या जावं आख्खे गोंयभर व्हडले मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स येता श्रीमंत लोकांक हे गोंयकारांक न्ही. फॉर दॅट दीस Tamnar project they want extra power. Otherwise the power what we are having is sufficient. We are having 40% power at present surplus which the government themselves had admitted. So आनीक additional पळय जाय हे फक्त हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग हे रेल्वे इंजिन्सांक and all because of that आमचे लोकांचेर अत्याचार जाल्ले आसा. All these issues we will be fighting.